TK, what are your thoughts on this evening?
I'm tired of nicotine. I'm tired of this, man. My head is hurting.
My eyes are burning. Every time I come to Nevada, Reno is the same thing. Vegas, just instant burn.
Fucking head hurts, man. This nicotine is crazy.
But look, check this out. This is what we have to deal with our job.
Yes, sir.
I wouldn't give it up, cause check this shit out. Come, follow me.
Are we gonna need more garbage cans?
Stage props, lighting. I fucking love my job, man.
Behind the scenes.
They're back here. Do you know where the trash bags are?
Hey, this is behind the scenes. These are the people that make this happen. Typical sound check activities.
Hosted. Trying to the pre-game ritual right here. Little emergency, little energy, healthiness, little R&R. You know, get your brain ready for the show.
And what y'all don't know, these dudes is trying to get back to the buffet ASAPolis. So once again, this is the motherfucking Dope Winter Ball Tour, Las Vegas style. Did I say Las Vegas? Man, we got like 4 more shows to go, man. We popping. January.